Multiply 350 by 127 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Put 5 in this column and carry 3. 7 times 3 plus the carried 3 is 24. The first partial product is 2,450. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 7. The second partial product is 7,000. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. The third partial product is 35,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. In the thousands column, 2 plus 7 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The whole negative number product is 44,450. So 350 times 127 is 44,450.